The construction of the Sejingkat Bridge is currently progressing with 52.45% physical completion, slightly behind the annual target of 59.75%. Sarawak Deputy Minister for Infrastructure and Port Development, Datuk Senior Idol Larry Wu, said the delay of about 7.3% was due to several technical issues, primarily related to temporary works involving the use of form traveller, a critical equipment used in bridge construction. According to him, based on the revised contract, the completion date of this project was set at February 2026, but following the delays, the contractor has expressed commitment to complete it before June 2026.
Now the project or contract physical progress is slightly experiencing slight delay a little bit. 52.45% physical progress versus 59.75% jadual. So the slight delay, 7.3% delay. Due to some technical issue, especially on the temporary work in the form of foam traveller.
He spoke at a press conference in conjunction with his working visit to the construction site of the Sejingkat Bridge on Wednesday. Datuk Senior Idol added that the contractor is working to resolve the issue, including taking measures to import 2 sets of form travellers directly from China to speed up the construction process.